Hello, my name is Sharon. I chose word bugs and word flowers for my activity for the Comprehension Focused Strategy presentation. Word bugs and word flowers are used to help students understand vocabulary. All students can benefit from this strategy. The grade level I chose was 6th grade. The English SOL reading strand that I chose is 6.4B. The SOL says the students will use roots, cognates, affixes, synonyms, and antonyms to expand vocabulary. The content subject that I chose is math. The math SOL that I chose is 6.19. The SOL says the students will investigate and recognize A, the identity properties for addition and multiplication, B, the multiplicative property of 0, and C, the inverse property for multiplication. For materials for this activity, all you will need is the printouts of the word flowers and the word bugs. This activity can be done in 30 minutes. When doing this activity, the teacher will ask the students whether they want a word flower or a word bug. Then the students will write down each concept in the middle. And the word bug, the word flower looks like this. The students can put their concept for each property in the middle, and they can have their examples and the definitions and a picture, any antonyms or synonyms that they would want that could help them distinguish between what it is and what it is not. And the word bug looks like this. And for the word bug, they would have their concept here, which would be their property, and then they would have the definition of the property here, and then they would have possibly an example here. They could have any pictures, they could have synonyms, antonyms again. And for this activity, they can decorate the bugs and the flowers however they want. I chose math for this strategy because a lot of students struggle with math, especially the older they get. And so I figured that this strategy would help them to understand the hard concepts that may be in math that they may not understand. I would use this strategy because it is a great way for students to expand on a concept or vocabulary words. This strategy is beneficial to students because it allows them to think about what they have learned. And it also allows them to come up with their own examples. This allows the students to be creative, which is a good thing because students need to be creative, and it will help them to keep their creative juices flowing, and it'll make the activity and learning more fun. And this strategy can benefit any type of learner, especially if they are a visual learner, because this will allow them to see it, and it'll help them to expand on their vocabulary. So this was my project. Thank you.